Thank you for joining with Integrative Mindfulness Center Mindfulness Retreat. It's our second day. So yesterday we talked quite a bit about mindfulness, the techniques, how mindfulness could be cultivated to your day-to-day life, how mindfulness could bring up to yourself to improve your lifestyle. So today we are mostly concentrating to talk about and practice the practical mindfulness approaches. Um, I like all of you to think about what we discussed the first part of yesterday workshop, mindfulness breathing. We discussed a lot about mindfulness breathing. We found a different way to practice mindfulness breathings. So all we're doing today, we are trying to discuss and do some exercises regarding mindfulness breathing. So it's a beautiful environment we all are sitting at this moment. Find a comfortable seat if you like sitting on the grass. Have a seat on the grass, or, or maybe have a seat on or lie down on the grass or a chair, and make sure you keep your spine straight and hands on lap, legs firmly supported, and the feet flat on the floor or couch. Practicing mindfulness breathing on lie down position. You may lie down, or you may flat on the back. It's all based on your comfort level. By taking a very strong inhale and exhale, take a strong inhale and exhale. Check your emotion, your feelings, your thoughts, and what they are feeling in your body mindfully by noticing what's happening around you, what's happening yourself or around you. At the moment, we are sitting in a wonderful, nice grass field. Try to engage yourself and engage all the sensation around this wonderful place. You may notice many sounds, maybe many smells, many sensations coming from the breezy air, a blowing air coming all the way from trees, some birds, small crickets and small creature sounds. Notice anything happening around you, your heartbeat, your breathing sounds, even your clock, your cell phone, anything, without judging or labeling. Stay focused, engage with your inhale and exhale. Follow the usual breathe with mindful inhale and exhale pattern. Notice the feeling of taking breath in through the nose, exhale it through throats to tongue and to the lungs. I know some of you already closing your eyes. If you like, you could imagine the mental picture, the inhalants, the breath all the way going through your lungs and coming out through your mouth. Notice the feeling as the lung increase to full volume. Hold the breath for a few seconds and notice the sensation. Exhale gradually and entirely through the mouth, and notice the release of tightness in the lungs and your chest. It's up to you if you want to stay longer. It's up to you if you want to practice the state a little bit longer. But there's no exactly time frame. There's no exactly a time frame or time limits. Stop exercises before taking the next breath and take natural breathe for a few seconds. Again, focus your attention in the direct feelings of breath. Imagine you are sending a warm, healing energy to every cells in your body with every in-breath through your nose and sending away stress, your unhappiness, your tension, pain, and leftover emotions, which each out breath. This is something you could mindfully imagine. This is something you could mindfully think. If you don't feel to think it, you don't really have to push yourself to think and live with it. It's all about you connecting yourself with mindfully all happening around you. During this mindfulness breathing, natural breathing, imagine the tension and pain and suffering over each and out breath that are coming and relieving out of yourself. Once you feel you are engaged with the nature and what all happening around you, and your state is mindfully active, you're free to end your mindfulness breathing exercise. So I'm going to finish the mindfulness exercise breathing because we have a couple of other exercises to practice today, by inhaling strongly, holding your breath, and exhaling and breathing out. You are ready to finish your mindfulness breathing. Metta, loving, and kindness.